Brandon.
Today we will be showing you something called Ozobots.
An Ozobot is a tiny robot that follows black lines and color codes.
You can use Ozobots for lots of classes.
We currently have 18 Ozobots.
Ozobots can be used through kindergarten through 5th grade.
A good thing about them is you can fit them on desks instead of having to use the whole classroom.
One of the ways you can use Ozobots is for reading.
For example, from any book the teacher reads, they can split up the parts and shuffle it and have the students make Ozobot move from what happened first to from what happened last.
Another way to use Ozobots is for spelling.
I can't. Write down letters and have Ozobot put them in order to spell words.
An idea for math would be to write down numbers and write a problem and have students steer Ozobots to the answer as we said.
As we said, there are many different ways to use Ozobot.
Where do we go with it? Okay, some reasons we think Ozobots are cool is because you can get the Ozobot app and do a lot of activities, and there are many lessons you can teach with them.
Ozobot is a good learning tool, but you can have fun while learning.
Here is a demonstration of the Ozobots. The colors you will need are black, green, red, and blue markers. You can use Ozobot brands or Crayola.
Chart shows color codes and what the color codes will make Ozobot do.
The first thing you have to do is calibrate the Ozobot. First, you have to hold down the button on the side until it starts flashing white. Then set it on a big black circle that you drew until it turns green.
This is an Ozobot path, and as it moves along, you will see the color codes make it do different things. You can use Ozobot with just markers and paper, or you can get the Ozobot app on the iPad to do lots of activities with Ozobot. We really like Ozobots and hope that you give them a chance in your classroom.
If you have trouble using them, we're there to help you.